If you have ever struggled to keep up with product research, competitor monitoring, and pricing updates for your online store, the Wiser app might be exactly what you need. Designed primarily for e-commerce sellers, Wiser focuses on helping businesses make smarter pricing decisions and improve conversion rates through real-time insights. At its core, Wiser provides dynamic pricing capabilities. This means you can automatically adjust your prices based on competitor data, market trends, or your own predefined rules. Instead of manually checking competitors every day, the app pulls in live information and updates your listings to stay competitive without cutting too much into your margins. Another standout feature is competitor tracking. Wiser continuously monitors what your competitors are selling, how they're pricing it, and even when they run promotions. This kind of data is essential if you want to respond quickly in a competitive marketplace like Amazon, Shopify, or BigCommerce. The app also offers price optimization tools. Using analytics, Wiser helps you find that sweet spot where your price is attractive to customers but still profitable for you. It factors in seasonality, demand, and competitor behavior to recommend adjustments. For store owners looking to improve product discovery and customer engagement, Wiser includes personalized product recommendations. These can be displayed across your site to encourage upsells, cross-sells, and repeat purchases. This personalization can significantly boost average order value without requiring major changes to your store layout. Integration is another strength. Wiser works with major platforms like Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. Setup is straightforward, and once connected, it starts pulling in data almost immediately. In terms of analytics, the app offers real-time dashboards showing your competitive position, pricing trends, and potential areas for improvement. You can drill down into individual products or see an overview of your entire catalog's performance. One thing to note is that while Wiser offers valuable free tools, most advanced features, like automated pricing rules and deep competitor tracking, come with a paid plan. However, for serious sellers, the return on investment can be significant because you save hours of manual work and potentially capture more sales. In short, the Wiser app is built for e-commerce businesses that want to automate competitive research, optimize pricing, and improve conversions without constantly micromanaging their listings. If you're tired of manual spreadsheets and slow reaction times, Wiser's automation can give you the speed and insight to stay ahead in today's fast-moving online retail market.